Okay, today we're talking about an economical way to make custom parts. So in this example, we had a floor drain grate in our parking garage that got damaged and needed to be replaced. But the replacement grate cost almost $170 for a replacement grate. I found this website called Send Cut Send. I created this AutoCAD drawing and sent them a step file. This is what the step file looks like. I created this in Fusion 360, uploaded the step file to their website. Again, the website is Send Cut Send. And just note, this video is not a paid promotion for them. I'm just sharing my real-world experience with you. I believe I had this replacement grate made for right around $60 or $70, saving us $100 on this project. Woo! It's made out of mild carbon steel. So here's what the finished product looks like when it arrives. Nicely cut on a water jet table. It's 3/8 thick steel. And choose what material you want them to cut or print your custom parts out of. Let's get it installed. There you go. So Send Cut Send, great website to consider for custom parts. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.